9 out of 10 drivers are missing hidden features already built into their own cars. And here's the scary part. One of these could save you thousands in repairs or get you out of a dangerous situation when everything else fails. These aren't gimmicks. They're real engineering decisions most owners never discover because no one explains them clearly. Mechanics know them, but everyday drivers, completely unaware. Today I'm exposing 13 hidden car tricks almost no one knows. Don't skip. One of these could save your car, your money, or even your life. Secret number 13. The hidden mechanical key in your fob. Picture this. Your key fob battery dies. No unlock, no start. You're locked out, stranded, and already imagining an expensive locksmith bill. But here's what most drivers never realize. Inside almost every modern key fob is a hidden mechanical key. There's usually a small release latch on the back or side of the fob. Slide it, and the physical key pops out. Even the door lock itself is often hidden behind a small plastic cover on the handle. This backup exists specifically for electronic failures. It's not old tech, it's intentional design. Knowing this alone can save you hundreds and keep you from being stuck at the worst possible time. Secret number 12. Traction control can work against you. That dashboard icon showing a car with squiggly lines? Most drivers ignore it completely. That's your traction control system. Its job is to stop wheel spin on slippery roads by cutting engine power and braking individual wheels. On ice or rain, it's a lifesaver. But here's the part no one tells you. In deep snow, sand, or mud, traction control can actually trap you. The system cuts power when you need wheel spin to escape. That's why manufacturers allow you to turn it off temporarily. One press gives you controlled wheel spin to get unstuck. Secret number 11. Lane warning can be turned off permanently. That constant beeping every time you drift slightly in your lane isn't just annoying, it's distracting. Lane departure warning systems were designed for highway use, but many are overly sensitive in real-world driving. What most drivers don't know is that you can usually disable it permanently, not just for one trip. Look for a button on the steering wheel or dash showing a car between lane lines. Press and hold it, or adjust it in the driver assistance settings menu. Once disabled, it stays off until you choose otherwise. This restores normal driving without constant alerts, especially on narrow roads or during safe lane adjustments. Secret number 10. The air recirculation button saves your AC. That button with a car and a circular arrow isn't just for comfort. It's a hidden defense system for your lungs and your air conditioning. When activated, your car stops pulling polluted outside air into the cabin and instead recycles cleaner interior air. This is critical in traffic, tunnels, or behind diesel trucks. But here's the bonus most drivers never hear about. Recirculation lets your AC cool faster and work less, reducing strain on the compressor. In extreme heat, it can improve cooling efficiency by up to 20%. Secret number 9. The steering wheel adjustment you're ignoring. Most drivers never realize how adjustable their steering wheel really is. Beneath the steering column is a small lever or switch that allows the wheel to move up, down, closer, or farther away. This isn't about comfort. It's about control and safety. A properly positioned wheel improves visibility, steering precision, and ensures the airbag deploys correctly in a crash. Your arms should be slightly bent, shoulders relaxed, and gauges fully visible without leaning forward. Shockingly, many drivers leave the wheel in the factory position forever. 10 seconds of adjustment can reduce fatigue, improve reaction time, and make every drive safer and easier. Secret number 8. The extendable sun visor most drivers never use. Sun glare is more dangerous than most people realize. It only takes a second of blindness to miss a hazard. While most drivers flip down the sun visor and struggle anyway, many cars include a hidden solution. Inside the visor is a sliding extension panel. Pull it out, and it blocks sunlight coming in from the side, the angle regular visors miss during sunrise and sunset. This feature is often built in but never explained. Check the inner edge of your visor and slide it outward. It dramatically improves visibility, reduces eye strain, and keeps your attention on the road ahead. Secret number 7, the emergency shift lock release. If your battery dies, your automatic transmission can lock you in park. That's a nightmare in traffic, parking garages, or breakdown lanes. What most drivers don't know is there's a mechanical override built in for this exact situation. Near the gear shifter is a small plastic cover or hidden slot. Pop it open using your key, press the button inside, and you can shift into neutral with zero battery power. This feature exists so dead cars can be moved safely. Drivers who don't know it end up blocking traffic or waiting hours for help. Secret number 6, your rearview mirror has a night mode. Headlights blinding you from behind aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. What many drivers don't realize is their rearview mirror has a built-in anti-glare system. That small tab underneath the mirror isn't decorative. Flip it, and the mirror shifts to a dimmer reflective surface that redirects harsh light away from your eyes. The view behind stays visible, but the glare is dramatically reduced. This simple mechanical design has existed for decades, yet millions never use it. Night driving becomes calmer, safer, and far less fatiguing. If you drive after dark, this one adjustment can completely change your experience. Secret number 5, your dashboard warns you about ice. That small snowflake or icy road symbol on your dashboard isn't decoration. It's an early warning system. When outside temperatures drop near freezing, your car alerts you because bridges, shaded areas, and overpasses can ice over before you ever see it. Many crashes happen because drivers don't realize conditions changed. Some vehicles even escalate the warning as temperatures fall further. This system doesn't measure road ice directly. It warns you when conditions are perfect for it to form. Ignoring this symbol means ignoring one of your car's simplest and smartest safety features, especially during winter mornings and late-night drives. Secret number 4, the glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. Inside the trunk of most modern cars is a feature many owners never notice, a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. This isn't optional or decorative. It's legally required because people, especially children, have been trapped in trunks in real emergencies. The handle is designed to glow for hours after exposure to light, making it visible even in total darkness. One pull releases the trunk latch from the inside with no tools or power required. It works even if the battery is dead. Knowing this feature exists isn't paranoia. It's basic safety awareness that could save a life. Secret number 3, hidden storage compartments thieves never check. Your car has more storage than you think, and the safest spots aren't obvious. Many vehicles hide compartments under seats, inside floor panels, or beneath armrests. These aren't gimmicks. They're designed to keep valuables out of sight and reduce theft risk. Some are large enough for tools, emergency kits, or personal items you don't want visible in public parking. Certain models even include waterproof sections. The reason thieves miss them is simple. They don't look like storage at all. Most owners drive for years without discovering them. A quick inspection under seats and floor mats could reveal space you didn't know you had. Secret number 2, speed-sensitive volume control. If your music seems to get louder on the highway and quieter at stoplights, your car isn't malfunctioning, it's being smart. Speed-sensitive volume control automatically adjusts audio based on road noise, wind, and speed. As you accelerate, the system raises volume to compensate. When you slow down, it lowers it to avoid blasting your ears. This reduces distractions because you're not constantly reaching for the volume knob. Many drivers accidentally disable it in the settings or never realize it exists. Look for options labeled SVC, speed volume, or automatic volume in your audio menu. Once activated, driving feels smoother and calmer. Secret number 1, autolock when you walk away. That moment of doubt, did I lock my car? Doesn't have to exist. Many modern vehicles include walk-away auto-locking, but most owners never enable it. When your key fob moves outside a preset range, the car automatically locks all doors. Some systems allow a delay so you can grab forgotten items. Others confirm locking with a beep or light flash. This feature dramatically reduces theft caused by unlocked doors, one of the most common reasons cars are broken into. Enabling it usually takes a quick visit to your vehicle settings. Once active, it works silently in the background every single day.